well. As a commission, we thank the government for finding resources to allow us to recruit an average of 30,000 teachers in an exercise we are expected to conclude next month. I wish to urge all unemployed teachers to apply for their jobs and inform the public that we have until Friday, December 23rd, for the applications to get to us. This is a huge enrollment of teachers that has not been realized since 1997. Most of you will remember that before 1997, we used to have supply-driven recruitment where TSC would recruit all teachers. Then recruitment was frozen, and from 1997, we started on demand-driven. And since then, we have never had such a huge enrollment of teachers. And we want to thank His Excellency, the President, Dr. William Ruto, for directing that we execute the exercise. On our part, we promise that the exercise will be carried out transparently and in line with the constitutional requirements of equity and meritocracy. I also assure the country that we are continuously applying all strategies to ensure prudent and optimal utilization of the existing teacher resource, both in our primary and post-primary institutions. And following the directive of His Excellency,